Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome. My name is Aiden. If this is your first time, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. I love having conversations with you, and I can't tell you how much it means to have your support. Okay, so I have some samples. I don't have a lot of samples this week because I don't know. I just didn't feel like I went through a lot. But the first one I have is from Curology. This is the Clean Sweep Cleanser. This was a fine cleanser. I think it was just a very, very basic cleanser. It isn't anything that I felt compelled to go out and buy. It wasn't something that I hated. If you want to subscribe to their service and you want just a regular basic cleanser, it's a good one for that. This next one is something that I really love and I want to buy a full size of. I have too many moisturizers that I'm trying to get through right now, but I really want to get this one. This is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. Oh my gosh, it has a light banana scent to it. Not very much at all. I scraped this sucker out because it was so good. So it has a very light banana, not overwhelming, not like super artificial or cloying or anything. Just a nice light scent. It dissipates pretty fast, but it felt so good on the skin and it really moisturized my skin. Felt really healthy when I was using it. I really liked it. It has magnesium, centella, asiatica, and turmeric in it. It's a good one. It's one that I would definitely recommend. I think it's a really good one. Then the next one is from Aromatica. I think that's how you say it. This is the Rose Absolute First Serum. There is a major problem with this guy. This packaging is awful for it. It's just has a little hole there, and then so you're like trying to get it out. It's not squeezable at all. It's a solid, hard plastic bottle. So it was a pain to get out, and then I know there's still some in there. It's a very clear serum. It feels almost like water, like a little bit thicker than water, but very much that type of feeling as you're putting it on. And it does have a very heavy rose smell. So if you don't like roses, this is not a fragrance for you, or this is not a serum for you because it is so heavily fragranced. I think it was fine. It isn't anything that I would seek out and use again. It isn't one that I would use on my face. It's one that I used on my neck and chest because it was a little too heavy. Even like on my neck and chest, it felt really strong. I wouldn't want to put it on my face because of how strong the scent is. Last things are two fragrances. I got them both from my local Dillard's store. So the first one is just the regular Badgley Mischka. And let's see if I can get any hint of the scent left in here. I'm trying to remember what it smelled like. I remember it not being, it smells very generic. It's not anything that I feel compelled to go out and get. It's just like a nice, basic, fruity, not really even fruity, but like a floral, but not a heavy floral. It's grounded a little bit in those fruits. If I can remember, I'll put the notes in the description box. I want to put the notes on the screen, but I've tried to copy and paste them because I film on my phone, I edit on my phone, and trying to put in all of the notes and make sure that they are spelled correctly is really difficult on a phone. So I had them all like in a document, but it won't let me copy and paste them in. It says it's copy and pasted in, but it doesn't show anything on the screen. So that's why I will have them down below. Then the other one that I have is another Badgley Mischka, and this is Forest Noir. And this one has a little bit more present. I want to make sure I don't spray it in my face. It's funny that they call it forest because you would think it would have like a really heavy green scent to it or a pine type scent. But I don't get that at all. I feel like this one's has a little bit more of a berry. There is some green to it, but not like a lot. It smells more like florals and light berries. I do like this one. I don't think I would purchase it. Even when I was wearing it, I was kind of like, I wasn't super impressed with it. It isn't something that I feel compelled to go out and buy. I'm glad to try it because I don't own any Badgley Mischka fragrances. I know that they've had some hard times the past few years because of Georgiana's husband. You probably know about that. She was married to Harvey Weinstein, whatever. Yeah, so Georgiana Chapman, is that her last name? She's beautiful. She was a host on Project Runaway All Stars, which I love that show. And I love their designs. They're gorgeous. Nothing that is practical to wear that I would ever like have an occasion to wear. But anyway, this was an okay fragrance. I liked it better than the original Badgley Mischka. But that's it for samples. Very short and sweet this week. Not a lot. They are all empty. Well, the one isn't quite empty. I will use up the Forest Noir. But I really want to get rid of these ones, especially because I have to keep them in the packages, you know, the little cardboard, and I have to keep, they want to fall out pretty easily, but I don't like these because they don't have names on them. So if I don't keep them in this, then I have no idea what they are. Anyway, let me know what samples you are using. I hope you are all having a fantastic week. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.